This is a plastic mock-up of the motor that's going to drive my generators. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I have shown that my generators can produce at least 105% efficiency. I've shown that with the Himmelstein torque meter, and I've proven that it can be done. Now what we're doing now is, the stuff I've been showing people regarding magnets was to show the magnets are efficient. But I don't want anybody to get any misunderstandings. You cannot make a magnet motor that uses just magnets. That's not possible physically. So what you have to do is you have to take the value of the magnets and combine it with electrical force to create a motor. Now this is a motor. This is a three-phase motor that I've put together to evaluate the electronics of my system. Now what happens is we get power from the generator. We take a small amount of power from the generator, feed it into the electronics of this magnet motor. Now the actual magnet motor doesn't look anything like this. It looks more like the actual generator. But I'm using this to validate the actual electronics. And I'm showing you this. I don't want to show you the actual magnet motor until I have it the patent information filed. But this is basically what a three-phase motor looks like. The different color wire are meaningless. That was just wire I had. But what happens is power comes out of the actual electronics generator that I've got, and it's fed back into the electronic circuit. Now the electronic circuit measures the torque and necessary that the motor has, and this thing takes power from the generator and turns this shaft. Now this shaft is connected directly to the generator, so it turns the generator too. So power from the generator comes back and actually turns itself. The amount of power that comes back is going to be controlled by an Arduino Q. Q standing for Qualcomm, and that gives us the AI. They're going to be either 2 gigabyte or 4 gigabyte depending on the demand boards, and they're going to actually run this. And this is going to be connected by the shaft here. This is a 3/4 inch shaft, but the actual motor is got a 1 inch shaft, and it connects directly to the actual generators. But this proves that my electronics works. If this thing spins the way it is, it proves my electronics work. That's all I was trying to do with this little mock-up. Now this thing is right now has got a lot of torque, but the actual one has got 9 coils, the actual one's got 18. And the actual is got it's a longer piece of machinery, but it looks exactly like the generators, and it connects perfectly to the generators. So you will have something that virtually runs itself, but with the electronics. Now the amount of power, it's going to make excess power basically, but it's using magnets to do it. But you can't make a magnet motor strictly with magnets. You have to have something like this to do this, and I don't want to give anybody the impression that I'm making magnet motors out of magnets. That's not what I'm doing. I'm using the magnets, and I'm trying to demonstrate the effectiveness of the magnets. Now these things are going to, you now see them turning. That means the electronics works. The electronics works, everything works. That's all I was trying to accomplish here, and I've accomplished it. Now we're going to put the magnet motor on the magnets, on the generators, and it will help the generators become more efficient. That's the whole idea behind it. These things will be more efficient with this magnet motor, not this particular one, but I mean the one that we're going to build, or that we have building. But that's how it works. But the fact that this thing turns shows that the electronics that I developed works, and that's important. This thing does work. You can see it. That's all I was trying to prove. But now you're seeing the mock-up, you're seeing it works. Now you know that this thing will work, and we are taking orders for these things. People are ordering the magnet motor, and if they haven't a generator already, they get a discount on the magnet motor. But this thing works, you're seeing it work, and this is what I was trying to prove.